Joyce, no one's coming to save you. Like, you're on your own, and like, you got this.
We say that all the time in self-defense. I teach self-defense as well. And that's what we say. No one's
Mm.
coming to save you, so you better learn to save yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So true in so many different parts of life,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then, let me come back to the question then. So Joyce today versus
Mhm.
Joyce 2 years ago, like
Mhm.
what am I? So I of course have only known you for a short period of time,
Yeah.
um,
Hmm.
but how are you different now? Like how is this sort of enlightenment and this next phase of moving beyond these attachments that you've been holding on to kind of changed who you are and what people see when they're working with you?
Yeah. Okay. Great question. So I would say, Joyce 2 years ago was still like very much like looking for, like someone to like create my sense of safety. Like
Okay.
maybe and like looking for someone else, like for like a romantic partner or like just someone outside of myself to initiate that leadership. And now like Joyce today realizes like, hey, like I'm capable of doing that on my own. And
Hmm.
also I demand that everyone in my life actually be a reliable person who shows up,
Yeah.
including myself.
Yeah. Oh,
So
yeah.
because I think that like that was actually the biggest unlock for me. Um, all my life I have been like a little bit flaky, a little bit like showing up late to things, like a little bit of like, oh yeah, I'll send that to you like later today, and then like not following through.
Yeah.
And when I had this like healing around my dad and the unreliability, I just realized like, wow, like all my life this like lack of showing up has been really normalized. And then I was able to say, wait a minute, that's not even who I am. Like, that's just somebody else's like stuff. But the real me is someone who's really, um, who loves performance, who loves mastery, who
Yeah.
is 100% like committed and reliable. So it's been pretty exciting.
People come to you as
Mhm.
as a coach, right? But you're really like a support system. You're there to support them through their journey and kind of help them find the way. Um, did you create a support system for yourself? I mean, you work with your friend who has, shamanic training, and so he helped you in a certain way. But did you have other parts of that support system to kind of help you navigate this journey of, separating yourself from these emotional ties, or have you just kind of like coached yourself through it?
Yeah, good question. I would say a combination of both. Like I spent a lot of time as a child, like on my own, like even being a little neglected, and so like
Okay.
I, like have a like just spent a lot of time like being in my head, like finding ways to entertain myself, and so I was, have always been able to spend like long stretches of time on my own.
Mm-hmm.
And so like definitely there's a like radical self-sufficiency there.
Okay.
And then I would say that I am like very blessed with like a lot of close friends and family and community. And
Nice.
somewhere along the way, I think maybe just being an entrepreneur, I really cultivated the muscle of knowing how to ask for help.
Mm,
So that is one thing like I'm like that is a real superpower of mine. Like I'm
yeah.
not shy about asking for help. And so yeah, I have always had like a really good support system.